Good afternoon, everybody. This is North Carolina Prepper. Today we'll be using a tripod. Yay, tripod. So what we're doing today is I'm going to install a, I guess you call it the vanity light or makeup light in the bathroom. We only got one light in here and it sucks. So the wife wanted one. It's one of her Christmas presents. I said, all right, I'll do that for you. But to surprise her, I'm going to make it smart. Now, we're going to run it through a Sonoff, and I'm going to go step by step on how to install this, from box to everything. This is a 6 light unit. It's rated for 600 watts, 100 watt bulbs. But I've got some LED bulbs here, 40 watt equivalent. So it'll be okay because we're doing LEDs, so we're not really pulling that much power. And the Sonoff will be just fine. I don't want to put 600 watts of power through this one Sonoff, and I don't know about the wiring in this house. It's just, anyway, let's not go there. But we're going to go ahead and do this, and it'll work with the Alexa. Hi.
Hi there.
And yeah, it'll work with the one in here. They're in every room, but this one will work for her. She'll turn on the glamour lights or whatever she wants to call it. I don't care. But, that, as a side note, that reminds me of the old Twilight Zone movie with the Canavix. It was on the spaceship in the wall. Alexa, cancel. It just reminds me of that. Now, there's only one in here and the other one's a mirror, but still. So we're going to go ahead and get this all installed step by step. And, how to activate the Sonoffs and everything. So there you go. So let me go ahead and get started. Let me pull this apart and look at it. There's some directions down there, but I can't read those. They're too small. So I guess I'll look at them off camera. But let me get everything set up. And this will just be a simple wiring. This is going to have a neutral and a hot. I doubt it has a ground. I really doubt. Most lights don't have grounds. They have it in the box, but it doesn't really need it. But we'll see what's in there. I don't know. So let me open this up. This is all chrome, but it's got the the protective cover on it. Geez, I hope that's a protective cover. Oh well. I think it's a protective cover. So let me get this set up. Let me get rocking. Let me get this installed. I probably won't film the installation of this because this ain't really important. It's just 2 wires and a plug and cord, which I hope it's in here. I don't need another cord. I don't know. I didn't see one. But oh, maybe it's supposed to be in the wall. Well, we're going to run it externally down to that breakout USB thing there. The wall strip, I guess you call them. I don't know. Plug. And we'll run it down the mirror into that. I better go find a cord here. Yeah, I'll be back once I find stuff and get set up ready to go. I'll be right back. So, wiring this up isn't really the important part of the video. It's about installing the Sonoff. This thing, getting this in there. So basically I'm going to go ahead and just wire this up and get it up. And we're going to use this zip cord, or this extension cord, and make it into a zip cord. And I'm just going to cut it. I'm going to leave like probably 2 inches inside the case that I can pull out or push in case, or for when I replace this. If it burns out or whatever over the years, we'll go ahead and do that, and I'll have some slack to change things. So let me go ahead and just get this wired up, and then we'll splice this together and figure out how we're going to do it. And I'll be right back once I get this thing up and installed, and tested. Then I'll cut the cord and we'll install the Sonoff. All right, I'll be back when I'm ready. Got one in each branch of the circuit up there. It's just wire. I'm going to take all this wire up from the wire that's in there. So it's going to give me about another 2 foot of that I can pull out. But the problem is this right here. Wait, where is it? Hold on. Alright. The problem is this right here. It says flush up there. So I'm going to have to go in the shop and just drill a hole to get the cord through there. And maybe I'll put a ground on there. Probably not, knowing me. But yeah, it's not yeah. I'm going to drill a hole in this. I'll be right back. So let's go ahead and open up this kit. Let's see what we got. Some screws, and there's some instructions, which, I don't know. Let's see if I get stuck on it. Alright, other instructions, I guess. Alright, so, let's get this out of the way. I have no idea what that says. Okay, so basically, you pop these covers off. Before you install, there'll be an L and an N. There we go. Or N and L. This is the output. This will go to the light. And this is the input. So it'll go to the outlet. So we're going to put the line in here, which is usually black, but in this case, you know, I'll just know what the hot side is. And then the white or neutral go in here. And it's going to be a straight pass through and just clamp down. So what you guys are interested in is probably the programming to get these things online. I mean, the hardware installs, you know, 2 wires and 2 wires. The source of power, that's input, right? The source of power, and then the load or whatever you're powering, okay? So let me get this put in. I'm going to cut it up there and just install it up near the top. I was going to put it inside the case, but it's not quite thick enough. And plus, it might act like a Faraday cage, and I don't want that. So, plus I want to be able to always hit this button to manually turn it on if something goes on, never goes out, or whatever. You need your manual switch here, which is a little plug here, or a button here. So, let me go ahead and get this put up on the wall. I think I'm going to put it on top of the mirror. And then I'll add my grommet, because I can't put that on yet. Until I get the cord, and I'll be right back once I get that part physically installed. And I'm just going to screw it in, physically installed. You can see it's all powered up now, and good, and happy. And I'll conceal that cord later on, going down the side here. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to go ahead and do it like this. Now you can just go ahead and turn these on by hitting this button here. And I'm blind. Gosh dang, that's bright. Okay, so let me turn it back off. Now, what you're not going to see is we hold this for like 5 seconds and get it into programming mode. There, that's programming mode. So it'll reset like that, and I'll do the rest on the phone, and I'll video the phone. Everything else now happens on the phone. So I'll do it all, and then I'll go back and edit out my passwords and network thing and all that stuff. But let me go ahead and do all that, and I'll be right back with the phone view. Okay, so now we're going to pair the device. I've turned off the 5.2 or 5.4 gigahertz network. We're only on 2.4. I'm going to hold the button. Oh, I also turned on the location services because that's required. I'm going to hold the button and go into pairing mode. One problem is when you enter your password, it keeps wanting to capitalize the first letter. So if it's not capitalized, that'll knock you out. So, all right. So let me go ahead and enter my thing. I'm going to hit the plus down here to initialize and add a new one. Now I'm going to say just go ahead and pair. Now I'm going to continue on. I've entered the correct password. Took out the wrong capitalization. Right, next. And try to connect. There we go. We're going to call this it's a little hard for me to see, but bathroom lights is what we're going to call it. If you want to call it glamour or something, well, we're calling it bathroom lights. We can always change that later. Okay, and we'll complete it. Now let's see if I can turn it on. Oh yeah, it's on. So let me go back to camera here or film mode. Okay, so now to turn them on, say, Alexa, turn on bathroom lights. Oops,
Sorry, I didn't find a device named bathroom lights.
Okay, and there's the problem. So we have to go in discovery mode to find new things. So now we say, well, I can't just say, you know, turn on the bathroom lights because she doesn't know, but watch. If you try that, it won't do it. Alexa, turn on the bathroom lights.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named bathroom lights.
So we have to put her in discovery mode. Alexa, discover new devices.
Starting discovery. This will take 45 seconds. To connect your lights or plugs, just turn them on now. For sensors, power them on by removing the battery strip. For locks and other products, refer to the manufacturer's instructions to put them in pairing mode.
She's doing discovery. And I'll edit this so it doesn't, so you don't have to deal with the time it takes.
I found bathroom lights.
Never
and
mind.
You can control it by saying, turn on bathroom lights.
Okay. Alright. Alexa, turn on the bathroom lights. Shouldn't have said the... Ah!
Okay.
Jeepers. Like the sun in here. I don't know where that cut off and crashed. But basically I did discovery mode. She found them and used the name I did. So I just have to say, Alexa, turn on the bathroom lights.
Okay.
And then you can... Oh, guys, then you can rename that to whatever you want. So we're all done. Now I get to clean up all my crap out of here before I get yelled at. And that's it. Oh, I gotta put the cord away and conceal that cord behind the mirror if I can. Or just adhere it to the wall with, you know, straps or something. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. This is NCP. That's how to do a Sonoff install with voice command with Alexa. And cancel. And, yeah, that's all there is to it. Start to finish. Alright, have a good one, everybody. It's NCP out. I got a lot of editing to do. Have a good one. Stay safe.